Mahibai since long time. I am with him. So when I was batting, it was not easy to hit those bowlers. Spinner was bowling really good, and I think we lost some wickets at that time. For me, it was very important to stay till the end, and I knew that when Mahibai will come to bat, the run rate will go definitely on a higher side. So even I used that. I was not connecting the ball so well. I was trying to hit, but I was trying to hit very hard. So he told me that just time the ball, you'll hit it very nicely. Some things he told me, there was 1 over left for Bishnoi. So I was there in the end because he told me that if you will be till the end, he won't bowl. So from our side, he was hitting the fast bowlers really well, and I used that as well. It was amazing. I wanted him to finish. That's why I gave him single. But unfortunately, today I finished. So yeah, being with him, definitely it's something different, and he's one of the best finisher in the world. The amount of information what bowlers have today, I think that was one of the best day when they have put all those things on the ground on the 22 yard. I think all those bowlers bowled really well. Restricting them in 166 was something 15 runs less. So I thought that we restricted them 166. I thought that they'll definitely make 180. So then making 180 and chasing over here won't be easy. So credit goes to all those bowlers who bowled their special balls at the special time. So today we won. That is the best thing. That is a positive thing. Many positive from the match. All bowlers, all batsmen, all fielders, they contributed really well. So it's amazing to get back to on those things where what CSK is known for.